Video game's most recognizable red and blue-clad plumber isn't actually a plumber anymore. Nintendo has updated Mario's profile, saying the mustachioed man seems to have worked as a plumber a long time ago. Now it says he prefers tennis, racing, or anything, quote, sporty. Mario has been around for over 30 years and appeared in more than 200 games. He was designed to be relatable to the average Joe, despite the fact that his games involve fighting giant gorillas and rescuing a princess rather than regular pipe maintenance. And with 2 new titles still to come this year, it looks like the portly Italian will have plenty of work in years to come.